Hello and welcome. Embedding your web archives just got easier. We're still using Glitch, an online collaboration platform where you can build web apps in your browser. But now, the steps to sharing your web archives via Glitch are as easy as remix, upload, and refresh. First, go to the Web Archive Embed Starter kit that the Web Recorder team has created. Remember to always read the README when it pops up. You'll want to remix this project, so you go to the top left corner and click Remix. And now that you have your own version of the project, you can directly upload a work or waxy file to the Assets folder, and your web archive will populate the site. So we click Assets folder, and we're going to choose our file. Your computer might not recognize works or waxies, and that's okay. Just select the option so you can choose them. Remember to hit refresh. And there we go. Of course, we should know by now there's never just one archive. You can upload more than one, and it'll keep count. And that's it, seriously. You can capture your websites and share it with others now. Continue capturing. Bye!